Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Children usually like a creamy chicken mayo sandwich any time of the day. So today let's see how to make lovely creamy chicken sandwiches. So for the chicken mayo sandwich, I'm going to heat a tablespoon of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute it for a few seconds. And I'm going to add 250 grams of boneless chicken cubes. Quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. Salt to taste. I'm going to toss this chicken for a minute or so, and then I'm going to cover it and cook it till the chicken cubes are done. So while the chicken is getting cooked, let's get the dressing ready. For that, I have a cup of mayonnaise. To that, I'm going to add quarter cup of cream, very little pepper, and just a quarter teaspoon of garlic paste. Mix this well. Our dressing is ready as well. Let's keep it aside. We cooked the chicken cubes for 10 minutes. Now let's shut the flame and wait for it to cool down. This has cooled down. So now I'm going to shred this. I have another option as well. If you find shredding a little more cumbersome, you can just pulse it in the mixer for 15 to 20 seconds. So here I'm directly adding this cooked chicken into the dressing. Let's mix this well. It's already looking nice and creamy. Now let's make the sandwiches. I have 6 slices of whole wheat bread here. I'm just going to cut off the edges. So what I do with these edges is I make it into breadcrumbs and use it fresh when I'm making my cutlets. I'm going to apply some butter to the slices of bread. Some ketchup, little mustard. You can avoid the mustard if you don't like it. I'm going to spread a nice big helping of the chicken mayo dressing. I have some lettuce leaves, fresh lettuce leaves here which I finely chopped. This is optional as well. You can just sprinkle a few of these, cover it. Now you can cut it into triangles or any other shape that you like. Similarly, let's make the rest of the sandwiches. We've just plated these sandwiches and they're ready to be served. You can serve them with chips and ketchup or anything that your kids like. So do try this simple recipe and let me know. For such yummy and creamy snack recipes, keep watching Get Curried.